Appleseed window cleaning and painting in Fort Wayne. I'm cleaning rain gutters today. It's a little cold. Solid ice. But it also almost makes it a little easier because each piece comes out in a solid block. So I'm cleaning and clearing the rain gutters. This one does actually have some guards on it. It's got some gutter guards. Hey, hit me up, I can install those for you. But I've got to clean the outside of these rain gutters as well because they've taken some abuse over the years and gotten pretty dirty. But they're surprisingly able to clean up. Every house is totally different. Depends on the trees up above. Gutter guards help out tremendously. And it also depends on which side of the house is sunny, because a lot of times we'll get moss on the north side of the house. In the shaded side, the yang of the house, I believe it is. Yin, yang. No, it's the yin side.
Appleseed window cleaning and painting!
Hello, thank you very much for choosing Appleseed window cleaning and painting.